If you're looking for a great way to cook food while camping, you got to check out this camping stove. Look, can you see my breath? It is so cold out right now. Don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's like 12 degrees out now. It's freezing. I'm out on my porch. Wanted to demo this for you. You're gonna get this carrying case. You're gonna need some propane. This you gotta get separately, so I picked that up. All right, so here is the connector that comes with the camping stove. You just screw it onto your propane, and then you're gonna go ahead and just screw it right into the side there. All you're gonna do is just turn this on, and then here's our igniter. Here we go, ready? Here we go. We've got one lit. We'll do the same over here on this side. Just turn it on, and there we go. Those are both all the way up on high. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cook some olive oil. I've got a couple of tomatoes and an egg and salt. So let's go ahead and heat this up. So we're gonna take this way down. Oh, get that guy back in there. Add a little salt. Nice. So far so good. It's cooking up real nice. Rolling with the heat, and it heats up very fast. I'm loving the fact that that flame was able to go that high. I'm not a gourmet chef, so don't criticize my cooking skills, but just want to show you how well this works. Let's go ahead and we'll turn it off. And there you have it. We have a nice little breakfast. This one here we can take off. This one, because it's hot, we're gonna go ahead and take that off. But to go ahead and close this up, all you're gonna do is you're just gonna fold it closed. Pretty easy to use, just pop it over, clamp it down. Well, it is closed up. This is a great little package, good system. So if you're into camping, it's a great value too. This was very easy to set up, heat it up real quick, cook the food perfectly. I'm a big fan of this. So this is a dual burner camping stove by SHINESTAR. This works great. I would have no problem recommending this to anybody. Definitely pick it up and check it out. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.